how to see your scheduled posts on Instagram. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. This can be done on both iOS and Android, of course. So yeah, so basically you might have had the problem that when you schedule a post and it is done and you actually want to view it, but you might not know where to actually do it. So that's what I'm going to show you guys. Now, all you basically want to do is click on your profile picture at the bottom right, and this will bring you over to your page. Now, obviously, since you are scheduling it, it doesn't show up here in your post because it is just simply not posted yet. So what you want to do is click on the top right, and then you can see scheduled content right over here. Now, if you click on there, you can see all the scheduled posts you have scheduled on Instagram. So here I can see my actual post. Here I can see an actual reel as well, which is great. And there's also an extra option. So if you click on the three dots at the top right, you can even delete, edit the post, reschedule, or share it now. So edit the post, like edit the cover or the caption or whatever, and then reschedule, obviously what it says, just maybe like a day later or a week later or whatever. And share now is if you just want to share it like right now instead of waiting till, in this case, Saturday or Sunday. So yeah, that is basically it. This is a very quick video on how to see your scheduled post on Instagram. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time. Have a good day.